quick stop at the rest stop, and floor plans that won't work. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We're gonna go over a couple bullet points to consider when you're buying the RV floor plan. If you plan to stop somewhere, what doesn't work? Let's go take a peek. All right, so one of the things about the floor plans for the rest stops or a quick pit stop off the side of the road, you're not necessarily gonna be able to run your slide out, right? So bullet point number one, refrigerator. Can you access the refrigerator not only when the slide is in, but will the door get full enough swing that you can grab lunch out? Potty breaks, you had the kids, rest stop, again, what floor plans won't work? Bathroom access. Let's take a peek at an example like this one. Slides in, get to the bathroom, voila. All right, the third biggest bullet point that I think you need to consider for choosing the right floor plan is sleeping, the accessibility. There's been plenty of times I've stopped at the Walmart, stopped at a rest stop. It's midnight, I just need to get some shut-eye. When the slide is in, can I get to my bedroom and catch a wink? So accessibility to the bed when the slide is in, you're gonna see a lot of variations. That last one was a mid-entry. This one is a side entry, but sometimes you're gonna get a dual entry. If not, maybe even get lucky with an exterior entrance. But this one with a slide in, one of the best. Lunchtime, kids are screaming in the back of the car, we're hungry. So you pull off to that rest stop. Remember, one of those bullet points was the refrigerator, right? Not too bad on this one, but there's a few squeeze points, right? So again, take a look when the slide is in. Can you get to the refrigerator and fully access the goodies inside? Accessibility on the bathroom. I don't know, guys, this one's kind of tight. I'm gonna say no on this floor plan on trying to get to the darn bathroom on that pit stop. All right, so 3 things to consider when you're buying that floor plan that's going to be special for your needs, driving from point A to point B and making some pit stops like at the Walmart or the rest stop. Refrigerator, bathroom, bedroom. When you go out to buy your RV, run that darn slide in and see what you get. Because there's gonna be other things like storage behind the slide out. Comment below on things that you've considered when you bought your RV. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. But lastly, show us some love with a like. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you next time.